Today we're going to talk about the difference between Maykker's new Jitterbug and the TechnoPad. How they work, how they're different, which one I prefer in which situations. So let's get into it. I really like this. I prefer it, honestly, now, especially if I can easily access the window. Also, it works with the Maykker line of pads. These are the 6-inch ones. So it comes off really easily. And bam, there you go. Now, why would I want this one over this one? Number one, what I love about it is that you have more control. You're more connected to it. With having the handle on the TechnoPads, it works, but you don't feel as much control. You have the pivoting ability here, which is nice, but it kind of disconnects you from the feel of the pad, so you can't really tell just as well exactly how well the traction or the scrubbing and friction is actually happening. This, on the other hand, you translate directly from your hand to the pad, and so you can feel everything that's going on. If there's a little bit of friction, if there's some debris on there, you can feel it a lot better. The other thing is I can put more pressure in a more specific area. The pressure goes directly right here. That could be a problem if it only went there, because now you have all the pressure on one edge of it versus the rest of the pad. The nice thing is the way they have it touching is you get 2 pressure points, which helps evenly distribute the pressure so that you're getting the whole scrub on the whole surface. Now, because it's on the top, you can direct your pressure up here so that when you want to get across the edge of the glass, you can get a lot of pressure on there, which is especially helpful when you're using one of these handy walnut pads. When you want to get the edge of the grime, sometimes the edges are just harder to actually get the pressure on there, especially with one of these. I've found trying to get around the frame of a window, I'm having to dig in order to get this edge to get the edge of the glass. It's not always easy, and this makes it 10 times easier. The other thing that I really like it for is usually if you're applying some type of a hard water stain remover, like a Diamond Magic or Barkeeper's Friend is a good alternative that's cheap, maybe doesn't work as hard and is safer on your hands. But with those things that you're going to scrub with, I don't necessarily like to go straight to steel wool. I'd rather use a walnut pad because it lasts a lot longer and it doesn't corrode. And so my first step now is I squirt some of it on the pad, the almond pad. You can also use, again, one of the Maykker pads that they have, and you can apply it evenly, and it's just really nice. It feels comfortable, and you're just right there in person. You don't have to worry about using these. This makes it a little more difficult to distribute the chemical across the glass. So having said that, why would I still recommend getting one of these ones first? Because I really would. It's because you can put a pull on it. This adds several feet to your reach just instantly. By putting it on a pole, you can reach anything that's up to about 12 or 15 feet without having to worry about missing a spot. You go up higher than that, and it's not such a good idea. So that's why I still like this. It doesn't have as good of pressure, and it's not as isolated when you need it to be. So I still prefer this for higher windows. I much prefer this for shorter windows. The only other thing I would add is that, if Maykker's ever watching this or window cleaning resources ever watching this and they want to improve this, I think if we just had a way, just a hole right here where we could, or maybe something that pivots a little bit as well, that we could put this onto a pole. If you're watching and you like to do product iterations and kind of make adjustments, you could actually try making something that would slide on here and hold on tight, and then that would have some type of an oscillating lever on it where we could put a pull onto it. So something like that where you go left and right and up and down, that would slide on and hold right here. That would make this invaluable. That would make this irreplaceable. That would make this done. But in the meantime, I have both, and I use both equally. This if I can reach everything, this if I can't. And post-construction cleanup or first-time cleans where there's heavier buildup, typically I'm climbing a ladder, or my guys are climbing a ladder to clean it traditional anyways the first time. And so in all those situations, we just carry this. It clips onto the belt really well, or onto the edge of your whatever holster that you have. It fits really well. And so highly recommend getting one of these if you don't already have them. They're fun and they're worth the investment. It's not a very high price, so I'll leave the link in the description if you want to buy one. I will get a little bit of a cut, and it helps support the channel, and you don't have to pay anything extra. So go ahead, and if you wanted to buy another toy, this is a great one to pick. So I'll see you guys in the next video.